Hi, I'm Sim, and I'm here with...
Laura.
And where are you from?
Croatia. I'm from Croatia, from the north coast, and the city is named Rijeka.
I actually been there.
Really?
It's a lovely, lovely place. And tell me, what are you studying here?
I'm studying law with criminology degree.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's quite hard, but on the other hand, I got a lot of help from all the staff, from law department, from criminology department as well, and yeah, that's basically it.
Is there a reason why you chose law and criminology?
I was always interested in law and something connected with it, so yeah.
That's simple and fair enough, I must
Yeah.
say. Okay, so tell me, how did you find out about CCCU? How did you apply?
I wanted to go to study abroad. Well, I wanted to go to study in England.
Okay.
And then I found out about CCCU with one agency. And they recommended it. They said I saw some videos of CCCU being really good with law department and everything. So that's mostly how I decided to come here.
That's fabulous. So you're enjoying it, I assume?
Yeah.
That's excellent. And obviously, so you're enjoying the course, but how about life outside of studying?
Well, I'm working. Yeah, I'm working with studying, and social life is really good in Canterbury, and as well the nightlife, a lot of clubs, pubs.
Yeah, I can attest to that as well. Anyway, so how did you find your first days in Canterbury? Did you find settling in easy?
Yeah, I came here with one more girl from Croatia.
Okay.
So I knew some other people are coming. I met a few Croatians in front of the library the second day. We actually live in the same accommodation.
Excellent.
So we mostly stick together.
Do you have any advice for future students coming here, or do you want to tell them anything before they arrive?
Well, the only thing is just follow your inner sense of what you want and what you like to do, and everything else will come by itself.
Lovely. I like that. Thank you very much.